Okay, this is my Technics direct drive automatic turntable system SL-D202. As you can see, it's in really great shape. I'm the second owner. It just has little tiny marks from the box. I have the box right here. There's the original packing. This is the original box right here. So now I don't have the speakers hooked up, but this has been in storage for quite a while. But I did test this a couple weeks ago and everything works great. Now hinges are really good on here, and that's the reflection off the camera light, but okay, I just want to show everything in working condition. But again, I don't have the speakers hooked up, and I'm sorry, but I just want to show you how the arm goes on the cueing. So bring the arm over. Okay, now this is even though it says automatic turntable, what I'm going to do is cue it down. So now it's on 33. Okay, so alright, here we go. Bring that down. Now I'm going to cue it. Cues down slowly. I'm going to cue it back up. Okay, let's see if I can get it better. Cue it down, and then I'm going to cue it back up here. I'm going to press this switch here to cue back up. Okay, so it doesn't drop like real hard. Let's see if I can get back here. Alright, ready? There it goes. Alright, so I'm going to cue it back up. I'm going to cue it back up like that, slowly. And now I'm going to put it towards the end. And I'm going to show you that it will go automatically. So let's cue it down. There we go. Now, what should happen, actually I still got to bring it down a little closer than that. So let's go up again. Alright, let's go right there. Alright, cue it down. There's the lights on, 33. Alright, now this is the test also for queuing it back up, automatic, and then putting itself in the armature there, and then going back down into the armature. There we go, sorry. There it goes, boom. So it went right down. Right down slowly, and then the record will stop. I don't like putting my finger here. A lot of people do, just to stop the turntable, but you shouldn't touch it. You should just let it stop itself. So there again, even though it says automatic, you have to put a cue up, okay, and then go over. Record will go on. And then let's go towards the end. Now I'm going to cue it down. There it goes down slow. Now we'll wait here and watch it, because I think I missed it last time. And this should go automatic back to the armature, to the resting place. Here it goes. Right now. Up. Goes back, nice. And then it'll go down into there. Give it a second. Boom. Smack right there. See that? And then the record will stop. Now I have one more test. So let's go cue up. And that will bring the armature up. And then I'm going to bring it over. Okay. Now I don't have it down now, so I'm going to bring it down. Goes down real slow. Now here's another one if I want to stop during the record. This is the stop button. So I'm going to push this stop, and then the armature will go up. Ready? Here we go. Push. I stopped it. There it goes up. Should cue back over. Then it should set itself in the cradle. Right, there you go. Boom. Right there. So it stops the record. So there you go. Everything works. Everything's set. Again, I don't have my speaker set up, so sorry about that. But again, this is just for those couple tests that I just showed everybody how to do it. So you don't want to force this over too, like you don't want to pick it up and force it. You always want to use the cue. So this is the cue down, and that's the cue up. So you can actually just use that, you know, if you want to cue back up. You don't sit there and go over, down with your finger and push it down and up. You'll break it. So now I'm going to turn the power off. Turns the light off right there. Shut the dust cover. It's a great unit. It's a Technics system, turntable system SL-D202. And again, I have the original box and original packing material, which is in great shape. So if you ever get a hold of one of these, you know, they're great to have. I know they're coming back. A lot of the young generation now are going back to records. They just love records. So I had a Technics receiver. I have another one downstairs, but I mean, my original Technics was back in the 80s. I got it on my 18th birthday. I'm now 50-some years old, so. But I don't have the original one anymore. You can still get them, but they're like anywhere from 60 to 150 bucks, depending on where you get them. So there you go.